Are you still cooking with old, unhealthy, non-stick pans? Upgrade your kitchen game and protect your family's health with the premium Alva Forest Carbon Steel Frying Pan. This beautiful pan gives you all the high-heat searing performance of heavy cast iron, but in an incredibly lightweight, durable package. And just look at this stunning, comfortable acacia wood handle, a perfect blend of style and safety. Best of all, it's crafted without any harmful chemicals like PTFE or PFOA, ensuring healthier cooking in every single meal. Plus, it arrives pre-seasoned and ready to use, creating a naturally non-stick surface that only improves with every use. Perfect for everything from delicate eggs to professional-grade steak sears, the Alva pan offers unmatched even heat distribution. It's also completely induction compatible, ready for any modern cooktop. With simple seasoning, this pan will become an heirloom in your kitchen, preventing rust and building a superior non-stick finish over decades. Stop sacrificing health for performance. Elevate your cooking with the Alva Forest Carbon Steel Frying Pan. Click the link on this page to shop now on Amazon. Happy cooking!